friends in my Chemistry Gyan YouTube channel. I hope all you have liked which part I have prepared before Finkelstein reaction. In this series I am now producing for you Schwartz reaction. Schwartz reaction. So first question, what is a Schwartz reaction? This is an example of SN2 reaction. Which kind of this reaction? This is SN2 reaction. What happens in this reaction? इस reaction में क्या होता है? In this reaction, fluorination of alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is done. It gives out alkyl fluoride and metal chloride or metal bromide is also prepared as precipitate. So here any kind of alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is taken for the reaction. So now look what happens if you take alkyl chloride. For alkyl chloride, if you are taking alkyl chloride for the reaction, take respective metal fluoride. It produces alkyl fluoride. Alkyl fluoride and metal chloride. So, in this reaction, you take now example of CH3Cl, methyl chloride or chloromethane, plus Ag of silver fluoride. Reaction happens, it gives out alkyl fluoride CH3F, that is methyl fluoride or fluoromethane. Now here metal fluoride is as AgCl. Here AgCl comes out as precipitate. Its color is white precipitate. White precipitates. This is silver fluoride. Now if you want to take here bromine, take CH3Br plus Ag of gives out here CH3F plus AgBr. This is also precipitate and color of silver bromide is yellowish. Now reaction takes place. In this, fluoride ion of metallic fluoride is attack back to the carbon of the methyl group. Now reaction takes place. Now look here. What is metallic fluoride? What are metallic fluorides? Such as silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, Hg2F2, and cobalt trifluoride, COF3, and antimony trifluoride, SbF3. These are metallic fluorides taken for the Schwartz reaction. If any organic halide has 2 or 3 chlorine or bromine atom, and you have to do the fluorination of this by Schwartz reaction. So you would have to use here Schwartz reagent. क्या यूज करना है? Schwartz reagent यूज करना है. See what is Schwartz reagent? Schwartz reagent. Antimony trifluoride and Cl2, mixture of antimony trifluoride and chlorine is taken as Schwartz reagent, SbF3 plus Cl2, mixture of SbF3 and Cl2. So thus reaction completed. Examples: CH3, Cl, CH3, 2,2-dichloropropane, 2,2-dichloropropane, and take mixture of SbF3 plus Cl2 as salt reagent. Now what happens here? 2CH3 CFCH3 plus F2 or SbL3 plus two SbCl3 plus F2. Now reaction is finished. Here you have obtained 2,2-dichloropropane, 2,2-dichloropropane. So this is your Schwartz reaction. Now once again I request you to subscribe, like and share Chemistry Gyan YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.